Let's discuss TCM, the discipline nature properties. The key points. TCM belongs to the category of natural science. TCM has the characteristics of social science. TCM is profoundly influenced by ancient Chinese philosophy. TCM is the product of multidisciplinary interactions. Okay? So traditional Chinese medicine is a life science that originated from the ancient China, focusing on research, human health, illness, and disease prevention. It has a close relationship with the geographic culture in China and belongs to the traditional science category of the Orient. TCM is an important part of the world's knowledge of medical science. Its characteristics and properties are discussed in the following sections. TCM is characterized by its natural science nature. Natural science is a subject which studies the law or nature of material movement in change and development in nature. Medical science is a science system which studies the process of life and its fight against disease. It belongs to the category of natural science. The study of TCM is focused on human beings, especially on the basic law of birth, growth, aging, and health. TCM also emphasizes the mechanism of physiology, pathology, and disease prevention. It has the characteristics of medical science. Therefore, TCM belongs to the category of natural science. TCM has the characteristics of social science. Social science is a subject which studies the change of human society and its development. Human beings are not only the highest product of natural evolution, but also have social attributes. TCM focuses on studying different physiological functions from different angles of social background. It also studies the social roots and personal relationship and how they affect the physical as well as the mental health of human beings. These features reflect distinctively the social and scientific characteristics of TCM. Next, the mutual influences of TCM in ancient Chinese philosophy. Philosophy is a science which studies the general rules of the common movement in nature, society, and thoughts. The development of any object is related to philosophy. The interactive relationship between TCM and philosophy is reflected in two aspects. Firstly, TCM has constantly receiving the development of philosophical research during its process of formation and development. Since its initiation, TCM has unceasingly absorbed research progress from ancient Chinese philosophy. A series of TCM phenomena may be explained through important philosophical concepts. For example, yin and yang, a philosophical concept of Yuan Di Neijing, is used to explain the relative attributes and the relationship of the two opposite aspects of correlative things or two opposite aspects within one thing. Combining with the other terms, it formulates the special TCM terms which are used to explain the physiological functions and pathological changes of the human body. Therefore, yin and yang is a methodology which is used to direct the development of TCM theory and is also applied repeatedly in TCM research. The same concept is applied to the theories of Yuan, Qi, and the 5 elements. Secondly, TCM enriched the developed ancient Chinese philosophy. For example, the relationship between yin and yang and the laws of promotion. Restriction, counter-restriction, and over-restriction among the 5 elements were first put forward and fully discussed in the TCM literature. Many philosophers also use the TCM theory to do philosophical research. Therefore, TCM not only enriched ancient Chinese philosophy, but also promoted the development of the ancient philosophy. Next, the TCM, a product of multidisciplinary interactions. To a certain extent, the development of TCM is also the medical application history of multidisciplinary knowledge. Besides ancient Chinese philosophy or ancient astronomy, geography, meteorology, penology, agronomy, biology, botany, mineralogy, specialties, mathematics, and metallurgy played an important role in the initiation and development of TCM. For example, meteorological knowledge is an important factor in the development of the initial theory of the 6 climatic pathogens. By comparing the 4 seasons, TCM recognized the differences in pulse according to the changes of the 4 seasons. With knowledge of geography, ancient TCM scholars developed the theory of treatment according to the environmental changes. Therefore, TCM is a product of multidisciplinary interactions. Multidisciplinary knowledge promotes the development of TCM. Thank you for your attention.